Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rhodes, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do an accordion shoulder slide. It's going to be a real help if you already know how to do an accordion, so if you don't know that, head off, look at the accordion clip and come back. The accordion shoulder slide looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So let's break it down. Starts off right to right, semicircle back, offering the hand just as you would for an accordion, sweep the lady out to the right, right is up, left is low, looking under the arches of the right arm, standard accordion to here, and then sweep to the other side. Now comes the shoulder slide. We're going to walk the lady past our right shoulder, guys, and as we do that, we're going to bring our right hand to our right shoulder. So we've got left hand over our head, pop the lady's hand from our right on our shoulder, we get a slide, and as it comes around, we catch it coming off the body, and we get one piece of an accordion. Send the lady out to the right, lower the left. Now the same thing in mirror image, walking the lady around the left hand side, right over the head, guys. Left hand brings the lady's hand to the shoulder. As she goes across the back, we catch the hand low, and again a piece of an accordion to finish it off. And then all we've got to do is return, and if you want to do a hand switch, just release with the left, pop down from the right into the left to end up left to right for whatever you want to do next. So let's do that with some numbers the other side, so you get the other view. We go semicircle back, offer 1, sweeping out to the right 2 and look 3, sweeping out to the left 4 and look 5. Here comes the shoulder slide. We go latch 6, walking 7, catching 8, and then we're round 1 and look 2. Then it's latch 3, walking 4, catching 5, sweeping 6, look 7, return 8 and back 1. Let's see how we get on. Here we go. All together. 5, a 6, an accordion shoulder slide. We go offer, sweep, look, sweep, look, latch, walk, catch, sweep, look, latch, walk, catch, sweep, look, return and back. And that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip, and as always, like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new clip comes out. Music recommendation on the end. Have a good time out there. Dance as much as you can. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.